This is an outdoor sound comparison. You want to hear which one plays better in an open space. If you got those headphones, then you are good to go. Or if you're playing from a good speaker, then you're good to go as well. Let's go. Volume, Zealot S95. Okay, so you've come to the end of this video. With this outdoor sound comparison, we've been able to accomplish the fact that the Zealot S95 is louder than the JBL boombox3 and the boombox2 in an open space. In my opinion, the sound coming from the two JBL boombox speakers is more neat, is more deep. You know, the mids, the highs, the low is okay on all speakers, but the JBL, you know, hits harder when it comes to bass. The S95 is not that, you know, it's not far, it's okay, but this is my own opinion. I just prefer the Zealot speakers when it comes to, you know, you want to go crazy, you're doing a surf party or a general party, you know, whatever the case may be, the Zealot speaker just, you know, does it better in that category. So that's it for today's video. Do it to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until next time, peace and love, guys.